Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2020 Toyota Highlander battery, easy method. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the battery toward the front passenger side. Inspect battery terminals and surrounding components for corrosion or damage. Wear safety gloves and eye protection before touching terminals. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove hold-down hardware gently. Replace with the new 12V battery and reconnect terminals in reverse order. Before touching anything, double-check that the vehicle is off and keys are removed from the ignition. Start by disconnecting the negative cable with a 10 mm wrench, then the positive cable to fully isolate the battery. Remove the small plastic covers and undo the hold-down clamp securing the battery in place. Lift the battery straight out using two hands and keep it level to prevent acid spills or damage. Place the old battery on a sturdy surface for recycling. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials and quick tips. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and priorities, which helps when budgeting for repairs or upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Set the new 12V battery into the tray with terminals in the same positions as the original and reinstall the hold-down clamp securely. Reattach the positive cable first to minimize spark risk, then attach the negative cable and tighten both terminals snugly. Replace any terminal covers and wipe down connections to remove fingerprints or grease. Start the engine and verify electrical systems, then test a short drive to ensure no warning lights appear and charging feels normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.